Welcome to the science class. In the last class, we discussed about pollination and the life cycle of flowering plants. If you have any doubt about any topic, you can just ask me or you can ask your Thai teacher. She will help you. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me or you can ask if you have any troubles in English, you can ask your Thai teacher. Okay, she will help you. Okay, so today we are going to discuss the life cycle of flowering plants. Okay, we have some steps. We have 4 steps of flowering plants. Okay, the first, I told you every plant needs water, sunlight. You can see sunlight, water, soil, right? Okay, every plant, that is the factors needed for a plant to grow. Okay, in the right surrounding, seed will sprout. When we put a seed to the ground, in the right time, the seed will sprout. You can see after some time. First step is the seed. Okay, the second step is the sprouting stage. In the right surroundings, it will sprout. You can see the roots here for taking water and nutrients from the soil, and we have the small sprout here. Okay, next up, the third stage is when the plant is old enough. Okay, the plant is old enough, it will grow. It will grow, and this grow, and we have the roots, we have the leaf, we have stem, and finally we have the flowers for reproduction. Okay, we discussed about flowers, parts of flowers, the pollination, how we get the seed. Okay, the flowers will be in the plant, and the next stage is flower is fertilized. Okay, by pollination it will grow and will get fruits. You can see the tomato. This is a tomato plant. You can see the tomatoes here. This is the fruit. Okay, the tomato, inside the tomato we have the seeds. Again the seeds will come and sprouted, plant grows and will get flowers and fruits. This is a cyclic change. Okay, this is a cyclic change. But it's the same for all the flowering plants. These steps are same for all flowering plants. Let's look at some examples. Okay, life cycle of long beans. Okay, you can see this is beans. You can see this is the seed of long beans. After some days, when we grow into the soil, so after some days you can see this is the seedling. Okay, seedling. This is the seedling. You can see the plant will grow and we will get flowers. The third stage is flowers, and we get, after flowers we will get the beans. You can see the long beans. Inside the long beans we have the seeds. The seeds, seedling, flower, beans. This is the life cycle of long beans. Long beans. You can see the beans. Inside this long beans we have the seeds, that is this. Next is life cycle of cone. You like cones? You can see this is the cone kernels or cone seeds. This is the cone seeds. Okay, and this will become seedling. In this picture you can see this is the seedling, and flower and corn. Again corn will get seeds, seedling, flower, corn. This step is same for all flowering plants. Okay, okay, that's about the life cycle of flowering plants. Next we are going to discuss the next topic, that is annual plants. Annual, what is meant by annual plants? Annual plants. Annual plants are the plants which finish their life cycle in 1 year. Annual means 1 year. Annual exam, which is the final exam, which is called annual exam. Annual means 1 year. Okay, 1 year. Okay, the plants finish the life cycle in 1 year. The life cycle means seed. Seed will grow, make flowers, make fruits, and later die after 1 year. Okay, that is called annual plants. Annual plants means the plants which they finish their life cycle in 1 year. Life cycle means the plants needs seed. Seed will grow, make flowers, make fruits, and later they die. Okay, that is called annual plants. Okay, we can see some examples. Examples: rice. Rice, when we put the seeds, seed will grow, a flower, and we have the rice. Okay, rice, corn, peanut, water, spinach. Okay, water spinach, rice, corn, peanut, and water spinach are the examples of annual plants. Okay, annual plants means life cycle is 1 year. Next is perennial plants. Perennial plants. Perennial plants. The plants, annual plants means 1 year. Perennial plants means more than 2 years. More than 2 years. They finish their life cycle about more than 2 years. Also starts with seeds. They grow, they make flowers, and they make fruits. Okay, and they will die after 2 years. Okay, let's see the examples. Mango, tamarind, coconut, toddy palm. Okay, mango, tamarind, coconut, toddy palm. They are the examples of perennial plants. Okay, so annual plants means they complete their life cycle in 1 year, and perennial plants means they complete their life cycle for about 2 years and above. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3. Okay, that is annual plants and perennial plants. Okay, that's all our unit is about. We have end of our unit 3. Okay, so in the next class we are going to start our new unit. It is unit 4. Okay, okay, see you in the next class. If you have any doubt, please message me, or you can ask your Thai teacher to help. Okay, that's all. See you in the next class. Bye bye.